Good morning, children, and welcome back for today's reading class. Are you all ready for today's class? Okay, so today we are going to learn K and CK rule. Hello, children. Very happy and excited to see you all in today's class. So, before we go today's class, I want to give you a small dictation test that you have learned in last class. You have learned FLS rule, right? So, we are going to write that small test. Is that clear? So, I want you to get your reading 4-line notebook. Okay, I will count 5 times and you get your notebook and pencil box. Is that clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now take out the new page in your notebook and write number 1. Yes. Puff, puff, puff. Next. E. Miss, miss, miss. Next. B. A. L. L. Ball, ball, ball. Next. Buff. B. A. Buff, buff, buff. Next. Pass. P. A. S. S. Pass, pass. Very good, children. Now let us check the answer. Children, in last class you have learned FLS rule, right? So now I am going to recollect that rules, okay, so that it will help you to remember. So what is the rule of FLS? We double FLS at the end of a word when it is after one vowel. Okay, we double FLS at the end of a word when it is after one vowel. Very simple. In the word, if you see one vowel and after the one vowel, if there is FLS letter, then you just need to make a double. Is that clear? Now let us look at the words of FLS. Okay, they are cliff, 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 bell, bell, mess, mess, puff, puff, shell, shell, less, less. Now let us learn today's topic, that is K and CK rule. First, let us look at K. What is the rule of K? It is very simple. Okay, children. In a word, if there is two vowel, always it will end with K. Okay. Now let us look at the words which ends with letter K. Okay. First we have week. Week. Repeat after me. Week. Week. Do you see here this word is ending with letter K? Do you know how? What is the rule? Look at here. In between there is two vowel. So if there is two vowel, it ends with K. Okay. Next, lick. lick. Repeat after me. Lick. Look at here also. This word ends with K. Why? Because it has two vowel. Okay, children. Two vowel ends with K. Next, big. Repeat after me, children. Big. Big. Do you see this word also ending with K? Do you remember why it is ending with K? Because it has two vowel. Always remember, children, in the word, if there is two vowel, it will end with K. Okay. Next, book. 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 We all read the book, right? Look at here also. It has two vowel. That is why it is ending with K. Next, cook. 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 Your mother will cook every day, right? At home. Morning, afternoon, at night. So this is the word cook. Okay. Why it is ending with letter K? Because it has two vowel. Remember, children, two vowel always ends with K. Now let us look at CK rule. What is the rule of CK? We have learned that two vowel, it ends with K. Now in the CK, only one vowel. Okay? When there is one vowel in the word, it ends with CK. It's very simple and easy. One vowel ends with CK. Okay. Now let us look at the words of the CK. First, what we have? Clock. Repeat after me, children. Clock. Clock. Now this word is ending with CK. Do you know why? Yes, because it has only one vowel. Okay. So one vowel ends with CK. Next, sick. 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 When we do not eat proper food or healthy food, then we fall sick. We have learned in EVS, right? See, look at this picture. Sick. What is the spelling of sick? Huh? Now you know? Yes. And it is ending with CK. Do you know why it is ending with CK? Because it has only one vowel. Is that clear? Yes. Very good. One vowel ends with CK. Next, black. 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 Very good, children. This word is also ending with CK because it has only one vowel. Very good. Next, shock. 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 This word is also ending with CK. Why? Because it has only one vowel. Very good, children. Duck. Duck. We all know, right? Duck. It also has only one vowel. That is why it is ending with CK. Crack. 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 Very good. It also ends with CK because it has only one vowel. Rock. 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 Same thing, it also ends with CK because it has only one vowel. Neck. 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 It also ends with CK because it has only one vowel. Is that clear? Children, now let us read few more words which ends with K and CK. Okay? Here we have pick, 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 sick, 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 sock, 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 back, 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 sneak, 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 chick, 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 hook, 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 luck, 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 brook, 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 lick, lick, lick. Very good, children. Now you know the rules of K and CK, right? So can you tell anyone what is the rule of K and CK? Very good, children. Listen carefully. I will tell you once more time. You please listen carefully, okay? When there is one vowel in a word, it ends with CK, okay? And when there is two vowels in a word, it always ends with K. Very simple. One vowel ends with CK and two vowel ends with K. Here is a dictation word for you to learn. Okay? This dictation test you learn. Remember the rules and learn these words and be prepared for the next dictation test. Is that clear? Okay. First, sick, sick, sick. Next, neck, neck, neck. Next, luck, luck, luck. Next, cook, cook, cook. Next, big, big, big. So learn these words for dictation test. Children, here is an exercise for you to do. Here you have to fill in the blank. Okay, I will set the time for you. Look at the word and remember the rules of K and CK that just now we have learned. Then it will help you to find the answer. It's very easy, children. Time's up. Okay, let us check the answer. Thank you, children. I hope you liked the lesson today and I will see you in the next class. Bye-bye. Take care.